my name is Marissa. Oh, it's beautiful here, yes. Well, I'll tell you how this place came to be. Many eons ago, there lived an enlightened Maharaja and Maharani of Anandapur, whose hearts were one with nature. So much so, the Maharani turned her palace grounds into a magnificent aviary so she could live among the birds. I was inspired by her story every time I visited India, and one day I decided to make Anandapur my home. Now I follow in her footsteps as a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures from places around the world. Now, nature explorers like you come to this place too. And my favorite part of each day is when the birds who live here join me in a dance to welcome you. Look now, to the friends. Let's welcome them.
Hey, boy. Thanks for our wilderness explorer compass. We're here. We're really here. Wait, where is here?
You're in Anandapur, India.
Wow, we're in the panda. No, Canada? We're in India.
That's right, Anandapur. So, who are you?
My name is Russell, and I'm a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Who's your boss, Russell? Oh, and who is your furry friend?
He's fed up. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy! Big boy!
Hi there! Hi there! My name is Doc.
Oh my, you can talk. I've never met a talking dog before.
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Doug. I'm Marissa. Hi, a senior wilderness explorer from the local Tibia tribe, Maud Lodge. Maud means peacock in the Hindi language.
Wait a minute. It's you! We found you!
You found me. Was I lost?
If you were lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you. Oh yes, I can, because squirrel!
We know you. We read about you in our Wilderness Explorers newsletter.
Oh yeah, the newsletter about birds from around the world, right?
Yeah, now we're ready to have a new bird adventure.
Well, you're in the right place. Say, that's a nifty camera, Russell.
I use it to take pictures for my adventure book.
I had a camera just like it. You know, they don't make those anymore.
Really? It's my Wilderness Explorer camera. Hey! Are they Wilderness Explorers too?
I bet they are explorers and adventurers. Who's without turning lots of Wilderness Explorer badges? Let me see those hands. Shabash, wonderful.
They should know our pledge. Oh, please, 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 can I read it now?
Sure. Let me take your camera and we can see it together.
My Wilderness Explorers camera? I don't know.
Wilderness Explorer's honor. I'll put it somewhere safe and sound.
Really safe?
Yes, really safe and sound. I promise. All right, everyone. Get ready to repeat after Russell.
An explorer is a friend to all.
An explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar.
Oh, wonderful dog. Give yourselves a hand. That was two. This has turned out to be quite a gathering of explorers today. I think we have almost everybody here except for our other bird expert who dedicates his time to the study and care of the birds here. Please welcome my friend Scott.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. And of course, namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the bird's natural behaviors to better understand them. And you can too. Have any of you guys ever had a great bird adventure before?
We did! With our bird friend, Kevin.
Who's Kevin?
Oh, I do miss the Birdman Kevin. Yes, I do.
You talk.
A talking dog with a bird friend.
Yeah, Kevin. Does he talk like people too?
Oh, no. The bird named Kevin talks like a bird.
Oh, and by the way, Kevin is a girl.
She is baby Birdie's. Oh, yes, she does.
So, what does Kevin look like?
I'll show you. A wilderness explorer's always prepared. I have a picture.
Oh my, really big picture.
You can keep it.
For me? Thank you, Russell.
Oh my. So that's a Kevin bird.
Let's hang it for everyone to see.
Yup, Kevin has long legs.
She can run very fast.
Very fast. And she's colorful.
Wow! And big!
Wow, I can see that. It sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
We did. Kevin is the reason we love birds so much.
Oh, that's great. Well, Kevin, was just the beginning.
Hey, explorers, do you want to meet more birds that call this place home?
I do. I can't wait to have another bird adventure.
Look, it's Miles. Hi, buddy.
Look at that, Doug.
That is an interesting bird.
Well, like Marissa said, this guy's name is Miles. And Miles is a trumpeter hornbill from Africa. Now, those birds are designed for extreme flying. You see them maneuver and dart in and around trees, catching flying insects, which are their favorite treats, without losing any speed.
Hey, I know. Would all of you like to see just how Miles flies in the wild? Yeah, wonderful. Okay, I'll help. We're going to make a forest in the wild right now. So, if you're seated on the end of the row, here in our lower center section, stand up, step into the aisle, and facing each other, raise your arms like a canopy of trees. Oh, we've got a forest. Doug is helping us too. And hold it.
All right, guys, that looks great. So all you have to do is stay nice and still for me. That way we can respect our little feathered friend here. But you want to watch Miles closely because he's pretty fast when he leaves my hand. What do you think, Miles? You ready to show off those fancy flying skills for us today?
It's that way. You got this, Miles.
Moving at the speed of nothing. Hey, your good friend's down there on the other end. What do you say? How about right through this way?
Maybe he needs a timeout.
Well, the thing is, we don't really do timeouts with our birds here. There's not really a need. Because eventually, that positive reinforcement tries it.
See that one? That's great. Thank you so much for the race. Oh, Scott, what do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Let's create a forest on the inside as well. So just like over there. Facing each other, raise your arms like a canopy of trees. Alright, we've got a forest developing. And hold it.
Alright, we are set to go. So, Miles, we're going to see if you want to fly back this direction. So you guys stay nice and still, just like the other side. And we'll see if we can't navigate through this quite difficult forest. So, here comes Miles. Nice job.
Look at that bird.
Well, let's give all of our volunteers a hand. You all make good trees.
Now, Miles, you did a great job too, buddy. And I don't have any of those flying insects, but you know what I do happen to have? I do have a grape. Let's give it a shot. That's pretty incredible. Great job, buddy. It was great having you out here today, but we have more of your feathered friends to meet. So if you wouldn't mind, we gotta get you back to your home so that way you can meet the rest of your friends. So the way you get back home, it's through the same window you came out of. And it's the same one you go into every single day. For the past year. I tell you what, here's a couple extra treats for you. He's like, I don't work for free, guys. So yeah, here's a couple extra treats for you on your journey back home. And then we'll get you on the right path, headed straight through this window right here. What do you say? Wow. There we go, nice job. Oh, but you gotta go the rest of the way on your own. It's a left light. And it's green. None of you guys have a fast pass out here, right? Alright.
Bernie, listen.
Already needs to listen.
Yeah.
Oh, he's listening now, I guess. So he's heading inside. Thanks, Doug.
And that was Miles, our trumpet of Wolfman. Now about our next bird.
Is it a snipe? Still looking for one of those. Here, snipe. Here, snipe.
Nice. Right over here.
Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Ahoy!
Wow, he has a big beak. Just like Kevin.
Yeah, he does. This guy's a ground hornbill from Africa.
Well, you know, ground hornbills like this guy are pretty amazing birds. So they get their name because they feed on the ground a lot. And they can use that large beak that they have right there with the force of a large sledgehammer.
Let me get my camera.
Oh, your camera. Oh, no, that's his camera.
That's a camera. Guys, I need some help with Cyrano here, please. Yeah, thanks,
He's an
Donna.
angry birdie.
Well, I wouldn't call that angry, Doug.
Oh, I'm so sorry about your camera, Russell. Maybe I can fix it.
That's alright. My Wilderness Explorer camera. Safe and sound?
Are you alright, small mailman?
At least I don't have to worry about breaking it anymore.
I'll find a new camera. Like give to you.
Really?
Wilderness Explorer's honor. Now, about that bird. Smashing food is one of the behaviors that birds learn to survive in the wild.
Yeah, and not all birds act wild. There are a lot of birds that live around people too. For instance, here you see a lot of macaws flying around the web. Guinea fowl, they're definitely here. You see songbirds like mourning doves and cardinals, and hey, these are chickens.
Chickens.
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
I'll be right
Chicken
back.
birdies. Oh,
Back, boy.
Oh my goodness, Scott, I think they're in for more than they can handle. Chickens are fast, and I hear they're pretty smart too.
Yeah, surprisingly smart.
You know, I guess there are birds of all kinds of special talents, and others with charm and personalities that make them so lovable.
Hey, just like parrots.
They grow on you.
Yes, but they do make some of the most challenging animals you would ever find in your home.
Yep, they can bite,
Scream.
and they poop everywhere.
Yeah, so definitely not the greatest roommates.
Very true, but some of these birds are so smart. They can mimic what they hear from the world around them, just like
Groucho.
We have to show you this guy.
Thanks so much, Cassie. And Groucho, my friend, it is always good to see you out here. Look at all these cool new adventures we have to meet today. So first things first, let's face everybody so they can see your beautiful face. How about a nice big hello?
I love this funny face. Groucho makes me laugh every time.
Absolutely, and Groucho learned how to mimic by listening to the family he used to live with. But along the way, he became one of the best at mimicry I've ever heard. So what do you say? You want to see if he'll try out some mimicry for us today? Yeah, okay, Groucho. We'll let you do whatever you want. We'll let you finish that tasty treat, though. You don't want to talk with your mouth full, after all. Doesn't seem like the safest thing in the world. All right, look it up. Those are just clouds. We're good to go. You ready? All right. There we go. Thank you. Now, even more impressive than that one song, Groucho actually knows the words to 7 different songs from beginning to end. So what do you say? You want to see if he'll try another song for us today? Yeah. Okay, but you guys have been pretty awesome. You waited very patiently for Miles while he was out here. We're going to do something special for you. So Groucho, why don't we give him a great big kiss? Yeah, it's good stuff, that kiss. It sure is. Okay. So you're saying Doggy in the Window and you know 6 other songs. I'm going to let you choose any of your other 6. It's all up to you, okay? You ready? Well, that was a start, but the feathers got out of place, so he had to preen himself a little bit. Let's try it one more time. This one's the sound of silence. There we go.
Everyone say bye to Groucho.
Hey, Groucho.
Oh wow, Groucho is 1 in a million score.
Well, he sure is. And the thing about Groucho is he looks like a lot of fun while he's up here. But remember, most parents in your home, they never choose to talk. But on top of that, they can live 50 years or longer. And that furniture you have in your house that you like, it's never going to look the same with a bird like Groucho.
Be my friend. Oh, please, oh, please, oh, please be my friend. I am back now from tracking chickens.
Did you have fun chasing the chickens?
Oh, yes, they were fast.
But not as fast as Kevin. She could outrun them.
Oh really?
Oh, yes, that bird Kevin is much, much faster.
And she was bigger, like a dinosaur. But we were never scared. Not once.
Oh no.
Oh, no, we were not scared. Not at all.
Because we're brave explorers. Nothing scares us. Right, boy?
Great, then you're going to love our next bird.
Ah, a dinosaur!
Scary birdie, scary birdie.
Oh, wait, she's in just a bit. Oh, Russell, I'm glad you're still here.
Well, in the meantime, all of you can meet our Indian condor.
We call him Ozzy.
That's a big bird.
Yeah, Russell, he's one of the largest birds here. His wingspan's about 10 feet across.
Don't worry, everyone.
That's right, Russell. No need to worry. The fact is, birds like Ozzy come in all sizes.
Yeah, and you can find them all around the world, but they share an important role in the circle of life, and it has to do with what they eat, which is what?
They eat carrion.
Yeah, so that's the rotting carcasses of animals that die in the wild. So a condor like Ozzy is going to come along, clean up that mess, stop the spread of disease, so in a way, you can call condors like Ozzy nature's recyclers. Now, if you all recycle more like Ozzy here, you might want to get more of a running start, my friend. If we all recycle more like Ozzy, the world is definitely going to be a lot cleaner of a place. All right, Ozzy, you want to try that flight over this way one more time? Show off that wingspan, my friend. There we go. Nice job. Now, this is my favorite thing about condors. They're pretty big, but they still do something pretty cute, and that is their cute little condor trot. And I use the word little lightly. Oh, tuck the wings, though.
Carry on. I hope that comes back soon. I think you really like Ozzy.
Hey, look there.
Oh, hi, dog. You're so cute.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a wilderness explorer is friend to all.
That's right. And all animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they'll show you just how wonderful they are.
How about it, boy?
I am a friend to all the animals. Yes, I am. Especially the birdies. Show me the birdies.
Perfect. Another one of our favorites around here is called a crowned crane. Everyone look way up there and you can meet Fraser. Yeah, Fraser Crane.
He's one of many birds here that help connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Hey, Doug, do you want to say hi?
Hi there.
Hey, guys.
I like the birdies.
Oh, they like you, Doug. The crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with their tall gold crowns. Can't you imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
Fly, birdie. Fly.
I love the enthusiasm, Doug. Do either of you two want to try to feed Fraser?
I do.
Okay, Russell, come on down. I have some of his favorite treats in this bowl here. We're going to give that over to you and see if we can't make you a brand new friend. Here you go, buddy.
He really goes gaga for bird seed.
He is a bird.
My hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
Okay, well that is pretty funny, Russell, but that's not really hair on top of his head. If you look closely, you notice all of those are feathers. The top of the crown, the crane as well too, and even his eyelashes. But Fraser, it was great having you out here. We'll let you head on backstage, buddy, after you perform the role of the vacuum cleaner. See you later. And that was Fraser Crane.
Oh, that's a very friendly bird.
Look, I'm glad you liked him. Next, we actually have my favorite bird. Quite possibly my favorite animal of all time to see.
Oh, it looks good.
A symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle. Thank you. Everyone meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, the bald eagles aren't actually bald.
I think bald eagles are absolutely majestic.
Yeah, and inspiring. Not too long ago, bald eagles, just like Hope, they were placed on the endangered species list. Then in conservation efforts, all of us played a part, helping their populations to recover. Well, I am happy to say the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
we can really make a difference.
That's exactly right, Russell. If we all make a conscious effort to protect this planet and all the creatures we share it with, we can all make a huge difference.
Thank you, Hope. Now, I'd like to introduce my favorite feathered friend. The peacock. In ancient mythology from India, a story is told at once. The tail feathers of Moor Peach were dull. But in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is the symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. We call this beautiful creature Nabil, which is a very noble name. Not only is peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorer's Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
Well, Russell, did you know there are thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world? We don't even have to go that far to find them either. See, birds can be found in our own backyards and even local parks back home.
You know, whether it's a Kevin bird, or an eagle, an owl, or a peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering that story is just the beginning of your adventure. Russell, smile. For you. Now go explore.
Wow, a new camera. Thanks.
Hey, Russell, look way up there, a Toko toucan.
That's a cool bird.
And we have a Eurasian eagle owl over here with Flannery. Oh, a Livingston Sirocco too. These are my favorites.
Heads up! You've got a new friend, Russell.
They like me. They really like me.
I too can run around like the birdies.
Oh, now look who's flying like a bird.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I want them all.
Thanks for showing us so many birds.
Our pleasure.
Glad you got to meet all of our feathered friends here today.
Like Daddy Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures all around. All we have to do is look up. Right, Russell?
That's right. Oh yeah, the wilderness must be explored.
Now let's go. Have a wonderful next adventure. Namaste. Goodbye.
Oh, the birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh, I love them.
Hey, look, wait up.
Bird adventure. Now please, gather all you belong to.